I saw this technique from the legendary Wayne Goss, so let's try it out.
Splashing a few drops of toner into the palm. Next, I'm going to take a moisturizer and add this to the palm of my hand. So now I'm adding 1 or 2 pumps of foundation and mixing it into the toner and moisturizer in the palm of my hands. Now this might look messy, but trust me on this. What you're doing is shearing out the foundation before application.
Never mixed toner into my foundation, so he said you're just supposed to press it into your skin as if you're pressing serum in, and your fingers work the best. Just press, and you know what, honestly, I love how hydrated this application is so far. And he was saying it doesn't have to be perfect because you're basically just creating a second skin makeup, and the foundation is going to be sheared out by the moisturizer and the toner. And if there's anything kind of like left on your palms, use the extra for areas that you want to cover up a little bit more, maybe like under your eyes and around your nose. But with that application, it's super quick. And look at this finish. There's zero filter on this video. And he was saying how this technique is great for those with dry skin because it won't make your foundation look cakey. And I already feel like my skin just like can breathe so much better with like that thin layer of hydration on top.